Over summer, this has become my go-to pasta dish. It's so cheesy and creamy, what's not to love? Let me show you how we make it. To start off with, we need to do a little bit of prep, so make sure all your cheese is grated and you've got enough freshly ground black pepper. Then you want to cook your spaghetti for 1 minute less than the pack time. Whilst the spaghetti is cooking, you can roast your ground pepper. So get a large pan on a low to medium heat and roast the pepper for a few minutes. This really helps to bring the flavour and the heat out of the pepper and really transforms this pasta. Once the pepper's been roasting for a few minutes, you can add your pasta water, so add about 1 cup of pasta water at this stage and give it all a good mix. Mix well and leave it to simmer for a few minutes. Once your spaghetti is done, you can take it out and add it to the other pan. The spaghetti will continue to cook in the sauce, so remember to take it out 1 minute before the pack instructions. Add the cheese that you grated earlier to the pasta and then give it a really good mix. You've got to trust the process here. As you mix, it will start to transform into this lovely cheesy creamy sauce. Add some more pasta water to help with the process, and you can add a little bit more if you need to make it the right consistency for you. And look how delicious it looks now. The cheese and the heat from the pepper balances out so well, making this the perfect dish. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.